And you mentioned cheat codes. What's a cheat code for having more charisma? Say for someone who's slightly awkward, what's a cheat code to get that better?
2 tips:
Yeah.
advancing personality and 70-30 rule. Advancing personality is you just leave someone a little bit better off than you found them, just a little bit better.
Yeah.
And when you make that the intention, oh, I got to leave someone a little bit better. Not only do you cure your social anxiety, you're focusing more on the other person.
Mhm.
And if you're setting that as the intention, just make them a little bit better, then that is already charisma as a whole. Because charisma is a very holistic process.
Mhm.
It's not about what you say and all that kind of stuff. It's like at the end of the day, when people are assessing whether or not you are charismatic or not,
Mhm.
it's whether or not you made them feel good or you took away the energy. That's it.
Wow.
That's how their subconscious mind makes a decision.
Mhm.
Now, the next part is the 70-30 rule, where you should listen or try to listen 70% of the time and speak 30% of the time.
Okay.
And this is just a general heuristic. Obviously, you can adjust it. Like, for example, if I'm doing the interview and I'm just listening 70% of the time and I'm making you speak most of the time, it
Yeah.
doesn't make much sense because this is an interview. So
Yeah.
you could adjust the numbers,
Mhm.
but whenever entering a new situation, allow them to speak a little bit more and listen. Don't just hear, listen. Hearing is physical, listening is mental. Hearing, any dummy can do. You just show up and you're getting the audio signals into your brain. Not, but listening is audio, physical plus mental. So this is when you have 2 different types of listening. I don't want to get too technical, by the way, but since we're here, 2 types of listening includes trampoline and sponge.
Okay.
Sponge is when you just absorb the data, and this is typically the preferred form of listening when you're a shoulder to cry on.
Okay.
Someone's parents passed away, you're sponge listening. Trampoline listening is what you should traditionally be doing, and this is when you're getting their point and you're amplifying it. You're paraphrasing what they said. You're
Okay.
asking questions. You're contributing, telling jokes, all forms of trampoline listening.
Yeah.
Do that 30% of the time. Allow them to speak 70% of the time. And
Mhm.
that's another charisma formula.